How to hide a specific story from someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Instagram application on your device, and now make sure that you logged into your account. Proceed by tapping your story and make sure you have added a story on your Instagram and tap to open it. Suppose if this is your story, and if you want to hide this story from a specific person, then simply you need to tap on three dots at bottom right, and here you need to simply tap on go to story settings. Now tap on hide a story from and search the particular user and tap down button at top right. And now this person won't be able to see your story on Instagram. So that's it, and I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.